Hello, people of the internet. I'm doing a shop tour here. I had this sign made so when people buy flowers for themselves, they can take their photo holding this sign. This is self-care, people, and flowers last longer than a bottle of wine. So there's that. This is my flower shop museum here. It is a collection of old school flower shop things, including Barbie's flower shop, which I just got some new clothes for her. Work clothes, because you can't wear a white dress, apron or not. And then I have all kinds of, cool old flower shop things. I just got a bunch of new ones from this lady, Floral Designs by Joan. And, yes, so there's those little baby things. This is an underwater flower cutter, which is epic. I got my moss sink, and then over here some kitchen-y things, and some linens, aprons, some wiener dogs, pigs and lemon, salt and pepper shaker. Then we got these guys here. Those are my babies, the new ones. I might move them over today. And then there's these guys who really like to eat, as you can see. I got in trouble by the guy who owns the fish store in Scarborough for feeding them too much. I've got all these ferns. I have these cool retro wicker fish. I have this chair that was my dad's naked lady. Then I have some farm-related items over here. There's this farmhouse truck, which is the planter that goes on your wall. Some chickens, some cow horns to put your air plants in. These are Swedish dishcloths, which are pretty awesome. They can replace 200 paper towels. When they dry flat again like this. They're made with cellulose and cotton. So once they're looking ratty, you can just compost them. They are really good at washing dishes, drying off your counter. They last a really long time too, so those are really awesome. There's that cow there and a couple chickens. I wish I could have real chickens, but I already have too much work to do, so. Here's my card rack. So this rack has Harry and Minnie greetings. Look at that face. And then also I keep most of the cards that I make up here. Then there's some like magnets that I made, and some other magnets, some cards. Then I have this line of cards. And I have these awesome prints that you can hang on your wall. Look at this, at the piano. So I love those guys. I've got some grocery lists. I have sticky notes, notepads, notebooks. I have ancient European postcards. I have these boxes of tea, some stickers, some plant pins, this ring, which you need. And then there's some more cards in here that I made. And then over here I have this cool cork planter from Portugal. And some succulent babies, this Harry Potter looking plant. Some cacti. I still have a few Venus flytraps. I have these little silk floral vase things that are cute. Some flamingo hooks. These are really nice. I just got these from Teaspoon Studio. Those are amazing. And I've got some little lights. I have cacti and flamingo as well. And then over here I have a bunch of cool plants. I don't even know what that is, but it's epic. I've got these guys. I have this beautiful Hoya. Oh, it's so good. My Pokemon sign, because my shop is now a Pokemon stop. Then more plants, air plants, some plant-related bags, aprons, tea towels, sailboats. I have these amazing houses up here. I just absolutely love them. Look at how adorable that is. I guess you can't really see because of the sun. Oh, there you go. So cute. Love those guys. Some little bird houses. Planty plants. And then over here, I've got some little plates, some more little cute silk guys, those creatures. And then I have all this recycled glass that is really cool. Some bird knobs, bike knobs, bee knobs, these really fancy knobs. And then there's all these cards here. And then there's these little things, these little plates and things. And then I have all this really beautiful pink glass. That's gorgeous. And then the most important thing is down here, right there. That one is the one right there. Harry, are you a nice guy? You a nice guy? Yeah, he is a nice guy. He's got his sea turtle there for maximum comfort. Then over here I have all this kind of boudoir antique-y things, including these naked ladies from France. This is all like really cool old stuff. Then up here I have all my cement things, some planters, those lady heads, which are epic, tiny little pots, some white things, including that bathtub that I love. And then there's those faces up there that are super cool. And more white pots. I have that fat cat right there. And then I have this unicorn hook for... We lost some stuff here. Well, there's that. So, sorry. There's this unicorn hook for your wall. Then some pretty blues and whites. And then here are some kind of natural toned things. Some furniture, mushrooms. I love this. This is for tea. And it has a lid there. Look at that rhinoceros. Oh, and I feel like I missed one of the other mini important things is these house hippos, which are actually bottle openers. Then if you just heard that noise that happened, I dropped all these dried flower related things. And this section is like my bridal shower gift section. I have some cake forks that are stamped with Mr. and Mrs. Tie the knot tea towels, recipe cards, cake stand, will you be my bridesmaid? And then we've got some squirrels in there. And then my DIY paint. I can't keep up with DIY paint. People just keep coming for it. I can't keep it in stock. It's amazing. And there's also 8 new colors coming out. So I'm going to be having an event to celebrate that at the end of the month. These are all the... Oh my god, the dried things are going everywhere. These are all the colors that are available right now. 9 ingredients, no smell, dries really fast. You can layer it up, do all kinds of magical things with it. I have all these fern vases that are epic. And then up here there's some sketches. And then I have this cool mail sorting situation that I painted. And I guess that's about it, really. That's what's happening. And I've got flowers in the cooler. And also just to remind everybody that, oh, also, hang on. I have all this jewelry as well. I'm stepping on my dried things now. All the jewels. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I just want to remind everybody as well that Saturdays are seniors days, where 55 plus can get 10% off most things in the shop. So I guess that's it. Maybe we'll just finish off with another face, which I'll have to put the video on hold to access. That's the one.
That's the one right there, Minnie. Minnie, did you go to the dentist? There's Minnie's throne under there. See, it's a small bed for her. Hey, that's Minnie.
All right, we hope to see everyone soon.